Okay, but after that means immediately, or 1 day later, or 2 days later, or 1 day later, what?
1 day later.
1 day later. I'm telling you, you must keep on healing. You must heal. Nothing is going to happen. Some can heal and gone away. Some might come back again. But you must heal. And with the sound, you cannot sleep better.
Now you won't sleep better. I can't sleep better.
Cannot sleep.
Now 1 month.
Yes, madam. Why you never call me? Free only one. Call.
I'll call you every night.
You must call me, madam. Pick up or not?
Sure, I'll call you every night.
I tell people to call me when this kind of pain, maybe I can heal in just a few seconds. I will guide you how to heal. If you don't call me, I cannot heal you. Don't expect me to come to Singapore every month.
From today, I'll call you every night.
Yes, madam. You try to call me. I will answer your call. In India, madam, people divine fire for me to call me. Siva sir being a divine fire, Siva sir. Then Siva sir pick up the call. So now the words going around, people doing divine fire for me, sir. No, you must understand. Some pain can be gone. Don't simply come and call me, sir. Please check me, sir. Please. No, please tell me your problem. Or put in the group. Are you in the group, madam?
No.
Why not the group, madam?
I don't know.
Why not put in the group? Huh? Put in the group. Then somebody will help you. Somebody will guide you. That's why we have groups in PVH. Don't put all this good morning, good morning. Say, sir, I have a problem. You heal me, pain is gone, but now the pain has come back and I will guide you. Very simple.
And I also have eczema.
Madam, the one with eczema is sleepy. See, the eyes, the noise can sleep in there. So let's see. Let's see what we can do. Okay, now checking, fine, fine. Here, fine, fine. Good. So I do an inner out her, huh? Like that. Down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, madam, let me tell you. If I didn't call you, will you be still seeing me or you go back home like that?
I'll be seeing you later.
Good. Hands down. Hands down. Huh? Checking the cords. Cords? No. She's got no cords, so she's fine. So now you can heal her now. You can remove all dark energy. Now coming here. Yes. Fine. No problem. See, this and this must be same. Then I know there's no problem there. Look, huh? Energy body of your name, madam? Nirmala. Checking fine. Yes, fine. No problem. Everything must be the same. Then there's no issue in this part. So now I'm coming to the left ears. It's going. There's an issue in the left ear. There's a block. Block. Yesterday somebody came with a noise. Who came? Who said that melted down, the eardrum melted? Whose eardrum was melted yesterday? Burst. You put a time and burst. Who was that? Remember? Madam, you don't come second day. Mr.Siva. Very smart. How are you, Mr.Siva?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
No noise, huh?
No noise I had.
Come here. Two people noise. Come. But the noise went up. How many? From yesterday and today, how much of noise you put? Number.
Come back 6 over there.
Come. Did you hear your noise? Yes?
Yes, I did. This morning also.
Last night?
Last night.
Why?
Very sleeping.
Huh?
Very tired, very sleeping.
Saying, how did you come here yesterday? How you came yesterday today? How you came yesterday to the bookshop? MRT. You were sitting or standing in the MRT, madam? You were sitting or standing in the MRT, huh? Can you do this by sitting? Then why did you do it? You shy, people see you. Tell them I'm getting my ears. No problem, you're not doing surgery. You're not doing surgery. Do why you worry about people? Your pain now. Whose pain? Your pain. You are the one who should heal your pain. Why you worry about other people's pain? Yes or not? Huh?
Why not?
Yes or not? Okay, what I'm saying. Where's the pain now? Yeah. Where's the again? I'm back. Come here, like. Where's the one? Where's the one? Take the one, huh? What are you going to do now? Because the healing one become as powerful as required to heal my left ear chakra. Rotate and walk around the home. You walk around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Keep on doing walk around. See what you go to it. Come back. Let's see. People are giving more and more time lah, I'm sleeping lah, this lah. Hey, sit in the toilet and do lah. What is the problem? What can you do that? Can do or cannot do? Oh, so holy thing cannot take inside. That's your problem lah. Oh, holy thing cannot take toilet out. That's your problem. I cannot do that. You just take down and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. I didn't see you don't take toilet. Take anywhere and do. No, people cannot say this lah. Because you are all so used to putting something in your mouth and thinking that it will go away the next day, and it's not possible anymore. Some things cannot be healed. You got to heal yourself. Say, come on. Oh, now, what number now? The number? Go on up. Then they want, what do you want from me? What do you want from me some more? Madam, I'll stop one. Huh? Come, one more round. Come, one more round, each. Wait. Now, let me finish this. Huh? Okay, madam. Huh? Now, for Madam Nirmala, the left ear is blocked. It's blocked. It's blocked. Huh? Remember, when this is going, it could be a cord or it can be a block. Cord means somebody sent a thought form. And that thought form, let's say for example, Nirmala, you're working, Nirmala? You're working, huh? You work in a company or office or what? Housekeeping. That means you're in a hotel. Then. Or you go around houses and people. Huh? Let's say one tenant in the house don't like you. An example. I'm not saying they don't like you. Huh? Somebody don't like you. Okay? So now the call is coming to Nirmala. The call is coming, a thought form. A strong thought form is coming. Now this thought form want to hurt Nirmala. Maybe this thought form doesn't want to go to work tomorrow. I'm just saying, I'm not going to get excited. It's coming, a thought form coming. Nirmala is terrible, she shouldn't come here. Somebody's going on. And coming now, this is looking for a place to hurt Nirmala. Looking for a place. Now sometimes you will feel, suddenly you have a pain, right? Oh no, then suddenly something pulls you, no. That could be a cord just came inside. Could be a cord just came inside. Some Indian people will be eating food, then something going up. Sometimes, no? What they say? Someone is thinking about you. Yes or no, brother?
Yeah.
Hit the head. Bang, bang, bang. Now the thought is positive or negative?
Negative.
Choking you. Negative thought. And the thought can just come towards you. Yes, madam. It's how the thought suddenly you feel such a sharp pain. Sharp pain. For no reason, there's such a sharp pain come. And then maybe afterward it goes away. When the cord goes away, it goes away. So like that, she can get caught. So I'm going to find out if the cord or a block. I can ask, is it a cord? No. It's an energy block. An energy block. Okay, madam? Take the wand, madam. So healing wand. So you must give instructions, madam. Healing wand. Become as powerful as required.
Become as powerful as
To
required.
heal my
To heal my
left ear chakra.
left ear chakra.
Rotate. 1, 2. Keep on doing, madam. Sing. How are you sing? Sing one, sir. Come. I know still have. Give me number. Sing. You don't use the word still have. That cannot get away from your program. NLP still have. Neuro linguistic program still have. Don't say that. It's number 2 now. From 6 it's come to 2. Be happy. Now the healing on. Become as powerful as required to condition my left ear chakra. 3 cycles. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2. Don't hit this 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Okay. How much you have now? What number? Now nothing. Go see what they cook today. Come on lah. Your ears are not my ears lah. You want to be like her? She cannot sleep with the noise. Stop playing the fool, my friends. Even if you have no pain, once in a while, heal both your ears. No pain, but just heal it so that it will go away. Don't come to a point where it becomes so bad and you know, look at her, she's suffering because of noise. You know, like a mosquito inside yourself. You're sleeping, the more you feel so irritated, right? Imagine it's inside the ears now. That's the kind of noise, sir. Is that? It's yours or mine? Okay, madam, repeat again. Becoming lesser. 10 ல எவ்வளவு மணி குறைஞ்சிருக்கு? Just now was 10. 0 is no pain. Sorry, no sound. 0 no sound. How much has come down? 6 now. Keep on doing now. We have to go to the next level. Like Mr. Singh, we didn't have to do the eardrum. We just did the ears. Correct? Otherwise, you can't get so very strong. Madam, how much, madam? Number 3 now. Now, Madam Nirmala, that's number 3. Now, healing on. Become as powerful as required. Heal and to condition my left ear chakra. Protect. Now, all of you will be given a pink color one for all those who didn't come the last time. You go down there, have a pink one. For the pink one, it's much more simpler. You're going to say, healing one, become as powerful as required to heal and condition in one go. By left ear. That's all. Pink one. Only for ladies, huh? Men, you cannot cheat and take. If they can do it, your hormone will change. So you start walking like this. Don't cheat and take. Ladies can take, gays cannot. No, what kind of gays? Aqua can, not other gay. Okay. Aqua who think they are girls, they can take, no problem. But not the other gay, the man gay. Take? Huh? No, wife come. Okay, remember this, I want to give to people, only ladies, because ladies got more problems than men. So the pink color is programmed to do good work. We're eating so fast. There's one testimonial, the lady woke up at 2 o'clock in the morning, she had so much of pain, unbearable, she couldn't even turn. She took the wand, she healing one, please heal me of my pain. She put by the side and the pain became 0 in 5 seconds. I'm not joking. The people's testimony of people doing this. The wand wants to help you, but you must have faith in the wand. Something will come from the inner world to help you. There are lots of people out there, lots of nature beings out there who want to help you. That's why we're saying to my next spiritual guides, to my spiritual helpers, to all the spiritual helpers, to all the healing angels, you're calling them. These are not people with religion. These are people or souls who have achieved a higher level of standards and they are there wanting to do good for mankind. That's all. If you do good in this lifetime, you can also be a spiritual guide. You can also be a spiritual servant. You become a soul and you'll be there. You will come and help mankind do the right path. Mankind not only on healing, but giving a lot of information to whatever you want to do. Understand? About environment, about health, about healing, many things. Don't ever think it's only spiritual. There are lots of guides out there who want to teach you. In fact, they have got one thing called learning in the sleep. Have you done it before? Yes, you can go and learn in the sleep. You ask your soul to go and learn. And they will learn something, come back, and you have intuitive to do something right. Every soul can learn. Okay, madam? How much, madam? 1 now. Madam, let's say the number, madam. It's 1. So now she's healed the eardrum, heal the ears and continue. Now coming here, fine. Now heal the eardrum. Healing on. Become as powerful as required to heal my eardrum. And go. Remember, the Singh healed his eardrum yesterday. Today you didn't heal the eardrum. Which you said has been bursted and punctured and whatever game you put.
The doctor says not.
Go and tell the same doctor, I have no noise now.
Okay.
That one man came, no puncture, no meltdown. I'm fine. Go and tell him now. If you tell, if you sing, you Tell him, send all his patients to me. I will teach them all, I will give them all. I will do free of charge. How much better? How's the noise? How's the Very well. Madam, ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா செய்யறதுக்கு ஏன் மேடம் செய்ய மாட்டீங்க ஏன் மேடம் செய்ய மாட்டீங்க அவ்வளவு கஷ்டமா செய்யறதுக்கு செய்யுங்க மேடம் செய்யுங்க மேடம் உங்க காது மேடம் நீங்க தான் கஷ்டா பாட்டுங்க மேடம் இதுக்கு மருந்தே இல்ல மேடம் there is no medicine for this. You can go to the top surgeon, you can talk the ear, there is no medicine for this. Please listen lah. Hello friend, my sister, girl, okay?